Welcome back to Maya Explains Everything. This is the Maya and Alex podcast.
Hey everyone, I am Alex, and this is Maya.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the show.
Maya, I have to tell you something. Yesterday, I got lost.
Oh no. Lost? Where?
In the city. I could not find the museum. I walked in circles for 1 hour.
Alex, why did you not ask someone?
Because asking for directions in another language is scary.
Ha! And that is exactly our topic today asking for directions.
Yes, today you learn how to ask the way and how to understand the answer.
Simple words, real phrases. Never get lost again.
Ready? Let us start.
First, how do you start? You see a person on the street. What do you say?
You know this one already. Excuse me.
Excuse me. The magic words, they work everywhere.
Excuse me, where's the train station?
Excuse me, where is the museum?
Excuse me, where's the toilet? Very important question.
Ha, true. Or you can ask, how do I get to the train station?
How do I get to... That means, what is the way to...
How do I get to the airport? How do I get to the city center?
And one more. Is it far?
Is it far? Because maybe you can walk. Or maybe you need a bus.
They can say, no, it is close. It is 5 minutes on foot.
On foot means walking. 5 minutes on foot.
Or they say, yes, it is far. You should take the bus.
Okay. Now, the difficult part. Understanding the answer.
People talk fast, but they always use the same small words.
Word 1, left. Word 2, right. Word 3, straight.
Turn left, turn right, go straight.
That is 90% of all directions. Really,
Turn left at the church, turn right at the supermarket.
go straight for 2 blocks.
A block. That is the distance between two streets.
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. See? You understand.
More useful words. The corner, where two streets meet.
The bank is on the corner. Turn right at the corner.
The traffic lights. The lights, red, yellow, green.
Turn left at the traffic lights. Very common.
And the roundabout. The circle where cars drive around.
At the roundabout, take the second exit. Sounds like a navigation app.
Ha! And words for position. Where is the museum?
It is next to the park. Next to means beside. Very close.
It is across from the bank. Across from means on the other side of the street.
It is between the cafe and the bookshop. Between 2 things.
And it is behind the station, or in front of the station.
Next to, across from, between, behind, in front of. Small words, big help.
Now, what if you do not understand? Because people talk fast.
Very important. You say, sorry. Can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that? They will say it again, no problem.
Or, can you speak more slowly, please?
People are nice, they want to help you, really.
And a great trick. Repeat the directions back.
So, straight for 2 blocks, then left at the church.
And they say, yes, exactly. Now you're sure,
Okay, time to practice. A little dialogue. Maya's lost.
like you yesterday, Alex.
Yes, yes, I am the person on the street. Go.
Excuse me, how do I get to the train station?
The train station? Sure. Go straight for 3 blocks.
Okay. Straight for 3 blocks.
Then turn left at the traffic lights.
Left at the traffic lights.
And the station is on your right across from the big hotel.
Perfect. Is it far?
No, it is about 10 minutes on foot.
So, straight for 3 blocks, left at the traffic lights, and it is on my right?
Exactly. You cannot miss it.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Have a good day.
And scene. Did you hear the trick? Maya repeated everything back.
That way you never walk in circles for 1 hour. Like me.
Ha! Let us repeat the most important words from today.
Excuse me, how do I get to the question that opens every door?
Turn left, turn right. Go straight. The big three,
A block. The distance between two streets.
the corner, the traffic lights, the roundabout.
Next to, across from, between. Position words.
Is it far? And on foot.
And can you repeat that, please? Your safety net.
And now, it is time for our word of the day.
The word of the day is straight.
Straight. When you go forward. No left, no right. Just forward.
Go straight. Go straight ahead. Keep going straight.
Go straight for 2 blocks. Go straight until the church.
Straight. Say it with us. Straight.
Perfect. Now you will never get lost like Alex.
Hey, okay, fair. That is the end of episode 11.
Today we talked about asking for directions and understanding them.
And our word of the day was straight.
Now it is your turn. Write in the comments. Have you ever been lost in another country?
Write it in English. We read everything.
Thank you for listening. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.